Eric Hayden here with the National Weather Service in Binghamton, New York, and an incredible lake effect snowstorm impacting our area. Used to this across central New York, but some very impressive snowfall amounts in places that don't typically get heavy lake effect snow. Binghamton, places like Enwell, and then down into the northern tier of Pennsylvania. This is your briefing. We'll let you know when is the snow going to stop and how much more can we expect. First things first, changes since last briefing. We had to extend the lake effect snow warning down into Pennsylvania since that band remains so intense. I do want to let you know this is as of 4:30 this morning. Check out our website for the latest information. We try to produce these briefings as quickly as possible, but the warnings go directly to the website right away. So just kind of keep that in mind. As far as impacts go, snowfall rates of more than an inch per hour continue and will continue through the rush hour. When you combine that with strong winds, near whiteout conditions likely. In addition, wind gusts over 30 miles per hour again today, so cannot rule out some isolated power outages. But the big impacts really through the rush hour this morning with those snowfall rates, very, very intense. As far as the timing goes, lake effect snow again remains intense this morning. Kind of what you see is what you get. Pretty much remaining in the same place and snowfall rates of at least an inch or more per hour. Gradually today, the band of snow will slowly shift to the north and diminish in coverage and intensity by this evening. With that said, we'll still have some lake effect snow tonight and Tuesday, with light accumulation still possible. This is our snow forecast after 7 a.m. this morning, essentially the rest of today. If you're watching us early this morning, this video, we're still talking at least a couple more inches before daybreak, so kind of keep that in mind. But for the daylight hours, roughly through 7 o'clock tonight, 4 to 6 inches more up across Syracuse, perhaps 6 to 8 across places like Tully and northern Cortland County. To the south, gradually things again shift northward. So a couple more inches, Newark Valley and Binghamton. And again, can't stress that enough. This is after 7 o'clock this morning. Tonight, we mentioned the intensity of the snow decreases. So still a couple more inches, but not those extreme snowfall rates we're seeing now. The heaviest totals tonight will be especially southern Onondaga County, places like Tully over toward Cazenovia and also Cortland. Now, when you put it all together, this is our total snow through 7 o'clock tonight. This does include what has already fallen. I mentioned, as of 4:30 this morning, 15 to 18 inches of snow has fallen across portions of greater Binghamton up to near Ithaca and close to a foot in Syracuse. So this includes everything, putting it all together, 12 to 18 inches over a large portion of our area. But I want to point out these reds back across the Finger Lakes, over to the hills south of Syracuse, and also through greater Binghamton into northern Pennsylvania. That indicates isolated amounts of more than 20 inches certainly possible right through 7 o'clock tonight. Again, that includes what has already fallen. Continue to stay updated. The best way to receive the information, the fastest, is our website. It's weather.gov/BGM. That will get you to the main page itself. If you add an additional /winter, you can have those snowfall maps that we just showed you.